Not only did I teach you the applications of concave mirror and convex mirror, I also taught you which particular condition of image formation is used for which application. It is not like the same image formation is used for all the applications. In some case, we will keep the object at focus, image will be at infinity. In some case, we will keep the object somewhere between pole and the focus. In some case, we want to keep the destination as at the focus. All these things I taught to you in the previous session, where you could understand how different mirrors are used in real life. We are not simply studying about spherical mirrors. We have some use of it. And the use of spherical mirrors was taught in the previous class. Today's class is very important. But before I go into today's class, I wish to ask you a few questions. For that I gave time also. So the first question is for Rayan Ahmed. You tell me, if the object is placed between F and C of a concave mirror, F and C, where will the image form and what will be its nature? Yes, object F and C, image will form F and C only. Beyond C, and its nature? Enlarged, very good. Very good. Real inverted beyond C. Isn't it? Pakka, correctly said. Yes, Mr. Prajin. Prajin, tell me, if the object is placed between F and P, where will the image form? Very good. Inside the mirror? Virtual, erect, and enlarged or diminished? Enlarged. Very good. Your name I know, man. Priyaranjan. Yes, famous boy you are. So Priyaranjan, object is placed at the focus. Where will the image form? Very good. Yes, Mr. Trish. At infinite. What will be its nature? Very good. Highly enlarged. Okay. Mridini, if the object is placed beyond C, where will the image form? What will be its nature? Very good. Between F and C, diminished, real and inverted. Yes. Sanjana, if the object is kept at C, where will the image form? I can hear what they are saying. You cannot hear. Very good. Kanishka, at C, same size, real, inverted. Your name I am forgetting, I don't know why. Yeah. What is your name? Srinidhi. Srinidhi, if the image is virtual, erect and diminished, virtual, erect, diminished, which mirror are we using? Convex mirror. Good. Don't confuse. Okay. Your name is Aishwarya. If we are getting virtual, erect and same size image, which mirror are we using? Virtual, erect, same size. Plane mirror, obviously. Plane mirror, yeah. It is the only mirror which can produce virtual, erect and same size. Helen, if we are getting a real, inverted and enlarged image, which mirror are we using? Concave mirror can only produce real image. No other mirror can produce real image. Again, I am repeating, I am not asking you to mug up the image formation. By your practice, by your understanding, you should know for which object position, what is the image position, what is the image nature, and what is the image size. It's highly important for this chapter. And throughout the class today and even next class, you will be using it. So please be very careful about the image formation. And today's topic of the day is Mirror's formula. So give the heading as Mirror's formula. So before I go into the Mirror's formula, I must tell you the sign conventions we use in Mirror's formula, because sign conventions are the only way we can understand the Mirror's formula and we can solve numericals by Mirror's formula correctly. So before I go into sign convention, spare 2 minutes of time, don't write anything, drop your pens, listen to me. I will give time for writing. Everybody, please pay attention. I will give time for writing. Okay. So I am having a mirror. Which mirror is this? Concave or convex? Very good. I have not even put the dotted lines. How can you say it is concave or convex? If I put dotted line here, it becomes concave. If I put the dashed lines in the inside, it will become convex. So until I put the dashed lines, you cannot comment whether the image is concave or convex. Remember that. Okay. Now you know very well, this is the principal axis, isn't it? And this is the pole. This is the point focus where the rays will converge after reflection if they are parallel to the principal axis. And this is the center of the curvature, which is the center of the mirror or center of the sphere from where the mirror is derived. Now, distance of focus from pole is called as focal length. I have told this to you already. Distance of center of curvature from the pole is called as radius of curvature. I have told you already this thing. I have also told you radius of curvature is twice the focal length. Have I told you? Definitely I have told you. Wherever you keep the object, maybe I can keep the object somewhere between C and F, A, B, beyond C. The image forms between C and F. It is real, it is inverted, it is diminished. I think everybody accepts, isn't it? You can even do ray diagram and check it. Yes, we know if the object is beyond C, image forms between C and F, it is real, inverted and diminished. The distance of the object from the pole is called as object distance U. Don't confuse, you have recently come from 9th standard where you are using U for initial velocity, V for final velocity. Here in ray optics, we are going to use U for object distance and V for image distance. Okay, image is forming here, this will be the image distance V. So U is object distance, V is image distance, F is focal length, R is radius of curvature. Height of object I am writing HO and height of image I am writing HI. Okay. Some books will also write height of object as H and height of image as H dash. That is also correct. But I am using HI and HO. HI for height of image, HO for height of object. These things are clear to you? Whenever I am defining Priyaranjan and Mr. Priyaranjan's neighbor, I told you don't write anything, I will give time for writing. When I give time for writing, that time you will talk. So please avoid, drop your pens. Hand should be empty, okay, Priyaranjan? Yeah. Though you are small, visible from here. Please pay attention. So remember that whenever I am using the word U or V or R or F, I am very careful. I am not saying distance between focus and pole is called as focal length. I am not saying distance between object and pole is called as object distance. I am saying distance of object from the pole is called as object distance. I am saying distance of the image from the pole is called as image distance. I am saying distance of the focus from the pole is called as focal length and distance of center of curvature from the pole is called as radius of curvature, because all the distance must be measured from the pole. Very, very, very important. All the distances must be measured from where? Pole. Very important point. That's why I am using from the pole, from the pole, from the pole. I am not writing between this F and pole, between object and pole, between center of curvature and pole. No, I am not saying like that. because I am measuring each distance from the pole. Is it clear to you? Now, if the object is kept here, AB, then what is the direction of incident ray? Incident ray will go like this, isn't it? Do you agree with me? Incident ray is traveling from where to where? From left to right. Do you agree with me? Incident ray is traveling from left towards right. Direction of incident ray is always taken as positive. So, this direction is positive. Now, I will tell the sign convention to you. First, understand these three things. That is, what is U, what is V, what is F, what is R, what is HO, what is HI. Clear to you? U, object distance, V, image distance, F, focal length, R, radius of curvature, HO, height of object, HI, height of image. Pen came in your hand. No? I wrote two important points here. One is, all the distances must be measured from the pole. And second, I wrote, direction of incident ray is taken as positive. With this, I am going to give you two sign conventions, very simple sign conventions. The first sign convention says that all the distances, now you can write along with me. You can write along with me. Ananya, I hope you are having notebook and pen in your hand somewhere. Please write. Yeah, pencil is there. Fine. Anyhow, write. All the distances that are measured along the direction of incident ray is taken as positive. And all the distances measured against the direction of principal ray, incident ray, against the direction of incident ray is taken as negative. Have you written this? This diagram you can draw a little later also. First write the statement. Statement is, all the distances that are measured along the direction of incident ray is taken as positive, and all the distances measured against the direction of incident ray is taken as negative. It means that, now pay attention. Have you written this? Can I talk for a minute? When I teach, you should listen to me. You are still writing? Make it fast. Make it fast. Please, 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 fast. Ananya written? Mridini written? Darshani?
Yes, sir.
Will you write today? Will you write today? Make it fast. Okay, whatever you wrote till now, pause writing now. Pause writing now. Pause writing now. I'll give time for writing. Please pay attention. Very good. Please pay attention. So this rule says that, this convention says that, if I am measuring a distance, focal length to against the incident ray, radius of curvature towards the incident ray or against the incident ray? Negative. Image distance towards the negative incident ray or against the incident ray? Everything is negative in this case. Now don't say, sir, everything will be always negative. Huh? No. There are possibilities where object between F and P, image will form somewhere here. Then you will measure like this, isn't it? It will become positive. Are you getting my point? So, whether a particular value of u will be taken as positive or negative, you will always be negative. I'm not saying you are negative, I'm saying you, object distance will always be taken as negative. Why, you know? Because wherever you keep the object, it will always be measured against the incident ray only. None of the condition you can be positive, you will always be negative. Imagine if I am keeping like this also. I turn the mirror, I keep the object here. Now this became direction of incident ray. I am measuring against the incident ray only. Once again negative. I hope you are getting my point. U will always be negative. You can never be positive. Whether it's concave mirror, convex mirror, any condition, you will always be negative. F will be positive or negative is completely depending upon the mirror. Yes, convex it will become positive because concave F will lie in this direction, isn't it? It will always be negative. But if you take convex, I keep the object here. This direction becomes positive, isn't it? So this direction will be positive only. So F will become. If you are confusing in this diagram and you are comfortable in this diagram, then you can draw this diagram itself. Which diagram? I know some of you are not comfortable with convex mirror kept like that. You are comfortable in this only. So keep like this. What is the problem? F, C, object kept here. So this is the incident ray direction. U is negative only, but F will be positive. So F of concave mirror is always negative. F of convex mirror is always positive. U of concave mirror is always negative. U of convex mirror is always negative. V of concave mirror can be positive, can be negative. It will always be negative except one case when the image forms on the inside the mirror, behind the mirror. It will become positive. But in the case of convex mirror, V will always be positive because V always forms here only, no, somewhere here only it forms. Am I right? So it will always be in this direction, positive direction. Are you understanding this? U, V, F. V means image distance, where the image is forming. Okay, this is the first convention. Second convention says that, write second convention also. Second convention. Write along with me. All the heights measured above the principal axis is taken as positive and below the principal axis is taken as negative. All the heights measured above the principal axis is taken as positive and all the height measured below the principal axis is taken as negative. So by this rule, you can very boldly say that always height of object will be positive and height of image can be positive or negative depending upon the mirror again. I'll talk about that. Obviously, HO, HI both will be positive. Focal length of a plane mirror is infinite. Is it going to curve straight, right? It will converge any time. Will it converge any time by a plane mirror? Never. Only if it is convex mirror it can converge, isn't it? Convex mirror, concave mirror only can have converging point. Center can be there. But in the case of plane mirror, there is no center itself. Where is the question of focal length? It is infinite focal length. Got my point? Can I proceed? Can I proceed? Now, to make it very clear to you, all the sign convention, I will once again draw all the image formation immediately. Okay? Please pay attention. Don't write anything. This is just for learning now. Nothing to be written here. So, I am drawing all the possibilities fastly. Concave mirror, first condition, the object at beyond C, image forms here, isn't it? Second condition, object kept at C, image forms at C. Third condition, object kept between C and F, image forms beyond C. Fourth condition, object kept at F, image forms at infinite. Fourth condition, image kept between F and P, image forms inside the mirror, behind the mirror, virtual direct enlarged. One more condition is there, object at infinite, image will be forming at focus, point sized. These are all for the concave mirror. For convex mirror, object at infinite, image will form at focus. Anywhere else object you keep, it will always form between pole and focus only, which is virtual erect diminished. All these things I have taught to you in detail in the previous classes. Now you can see, and you can itself write the conventions very comfortably. U negative, V negative, HO positive, HI negative. Now I'll ask you, you will tell. When I ask you, you will tell. Okay? HO, how positive it came? Because it is above the principal axis. Positive. Below, negative. Right? So, Priyaranjan, tell for this fast. U, loudly. Negative, good. V, very good. HO, how negative? HI, very good. Hey, if it is not negative, it is positive only, no? What you are thinking, overthinking. Nitin Raghav, fast. U, negative. V, negative. F, negative. HO, positive. HI, very good. Again, your name I am forgetting. Yes. Shriya. Yes. HO. HI. So down only, no? Yaar. We are saying real and inverted, isn't it? Inverted means negative. Okay. F, negative. U, V, negative. So here, Helen, U, V, HO, HI, good. Kavin Nitish, U, V, HO, here HO, HI, good. U, good. V, very good. So most of you have understood convention. What is positive, what is negative, you are most probably knowing it now. Can I take it like that? So with this knowledge, please keep this in your head that for a concave mirror, U always negative, F always negative. V negative in all the cases, or positive in only one case, when the object is between F and P. HO positive, HI negative or positive, the same case. Am I right? Am I right? For which mirror? Convex mirror. If I write the same thing, then tell me, what will be U? Always negative. Positive. You can never be positive. You can never be positive. Okay. F, V, always positive. It can never be negative. We are this side only, no, always. HO, HI, it can never be negative. Clear? Now, with all this understanding, we will start solving numericals based upon image formula. Now, what is image formula first of all? Image formula relates U, V, F. And as per image formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. You may ask how it has come, how it has been derived. Derivation is there in 12th standard. We have to use similarity of triangles and derive it. It's not a big thing, simple only, but it's not there in your syllabus. So, by that derivation, you will come to know that 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. U is object distance, V is image distance, F is focal length. And magnification. Magnification means what? How much big or how much small the object is, image is. Magnification is the ratio of height of image to height of object. And this is given by minus V by U in the case of mirrors. Keep this in your mind. M is magnification and this is mirrors formula. So, mirrors formula and magnification should be there in your head forever. You should not forget hereafter. If you are going to take science in 12th. If you are going to take commerce, you can forget after this year. But 10th board, you are going to write anyhow. So, for this year, you should not forget this. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. M, which is equal to HI by HO, is equal to minus V by U. Again, I am saying magnitude, Tambi. This is magnification. Magnification. Magnification means how much big or how much small my image is. That's why it is a ratio of HI by HO. If HI by HO is less than 1, it is diminished because HO is bigger than HI. I hope you know that if denominator is bigger than numerator, it is a number less than 1. If 0 less than 1, yes. Correct only, man. Then why are you confusing yourself? I will do this only, man. I will confuse you. You should not get confused. If HI by HO is more than 1, it means that HI is more than HO. More than 1, tell a number. More than 1. 5. Very good. So, that is telling to us it is magnified. So, if I am telling M is equal to 2, it means it is enlarged image. If I say M is equal to 0.2, diminished image. Getting an idea, no? Why negative came? It is again by derivation only here. The derivation, if you want, I can teach you. Have you learned similarity of triangles in math? No, then you cannot understand now. We have derivation of similarity of triangles, then only we can understand this, the derivation. As of now, you can remember this. Maybe when the 10th ends, no, that time you will learn similarity of triangles in maths class. I will teach this to you if you want. No problem in that. Okay. So now we are going to enter into numerical solving. At least 2-3 numericals we'll try to solve today. When we are going to solve numericals, let me caution you on certain things which you will definitely do mistake. I'll tell you what to be cautioned. They will give some data. How the question will be there? Either U will be given, V will be given, find F. Or F will be given, U will be given, find V. Or V will be given, that is U will be given, F will be given, find. And like that some question will be there. Or HI will be given, find HO. HO will be given, find HI. Like that, some question will be coming. So whatever data is given to you, that must be written with sign convention. For example, they gave object of height 10 centimeter is placed 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror whose focal length is 30 centimeter. More slower than this. Don't write anything, listen. An object of height 5 centimeter is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror whose focal length is 30 centimeter. So now you have three data here: focal length, object distance, height of the object. When you are going to write the given, you have U, you have F, and you have HO. You must write with sign convention. You know that HO is positive, so you will write plus 5 centimeter. Sir, plus 5 to write. I will not write plus only, no, it meaning is. Yes, but for your beginning time, you write. Focal length, I told concave mirror, negative. So I'll write minus 30 centimeter. Object distance, always negative. I told 10 centimeter. So minus 10 centimeter. Then they ask you, find the image position, image nature, and image size. Position, nature, size of image. So when they ask that, many students what they will tell, okay, V in the case of this will be negative, I'll take negative. Never take the sign convention for unknown quantities. I'll repeat this. Whenever you're solving a numerical, only for the known given quantities, use the sign convention and get the answer without sign convention. You automatically, write the unknown quantity without sign convention. Automatically, you will get the answer itself in sign convention. I'll show you how. So we will put the formula. What formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So 1 by minus 30 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u is how much? Minus 10. Now we are going to check your knowledge of addition, subtraction, multiplication, all these things. So 1 by v will become equal to, this goes this side, it will become 1 by 10 minus 1 by 30. Can I write like this? I send this negative, it became positive here. Then take the LCM. LCM is how much? 33 minus 1. All of you agree with me? What I am doing is clear? I have taken LCM as 30, man, not 300. If you take 300, what you are saying is correct, 30 minus 10. Are you getting a point? Doubt is there? LCM of 10 and 30, I can take 300 also, as you are saying. Then it will become 30 minus 10. I have taken 30 itself. So 10 3s are 30. So 3, 30 is, so I have written 1. Okay. So 1 by v will become equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 by 30. So it will become 1 by 15. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 15. It means v, I automatically got the answer as plus 15 centimeter. It means the image is virtual. You know how I said virtual? Because U was negative and V is positive. It is only possible if it is behind the mirror. And behind the mirror means it must be virtual. Are you getting? I got the value of U. I got the value of V. I have the value of HO. Can I find HI also? Let us find. That formula is there. So HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. So what is HO? What is HI? You want to find. What is HO? Plus 5. What is minus I will put. What is V? Plus 15. What is U? Minus 10. Right? Minus minus will become plus 5. I will get 2 times. I am going to get HI is equal to plus 7.5 centimeter. So what you came to know? From 5 it became 7.5. It became enlarged. And positive HI indicates that it is an erect image. So automatically I am getting my answers with sign convention. Are you realizing that? Only the given data I have used with sign convention. The final result I am getting with convention only, all the answers. Any doubt in this, please ask me. Just Priya Ranjan, doubt. Which three? Here three, how it came? 15 by 2, how it becomes 7.5? Meet me after the class. I'll teach you with my hands. Okay. What this, man? Basic. Shall I teach you how 15 by 2? Fine, fine. Is it clear? All of you? Sure? Any problem? Ananya? Ananya G. Not clear or clear? I hope. Mridini, Darshini, understood?
Yes, sir.
If really you have understood, then let us go to the question now. All of you, take the first question. Take the first question on your screen now. Question, if you want to write, you write. Don't want to write, don't write. I don't mind. I want the answer. If you want to waste your time, write question. If you have the desire of solving the question, don't write the question. Don't write the question if you don't want to write. I don't have any problem in that. But solve it properly. Very simple question. Very, very simple question. Darshini, got the answer?
No, sir.
Nitin Raghav got the answer? You got some answer. Okay. Without taking much time, let us solve this basic question and see whether the answer what you have got is right or not. If you have not got, please listen to what I am saying. Whenever a question is given in rough, not by using scale, pencil and all these things, but rough itself, always have a habit of drawing a diagram. First write the given data. This you can draw, not this professionally, but draw a diagram lightly. You will get an idea. Where is the object placed? How will the image form? Automatically you will get, because now if you know the concave mirror, convex mirror properly, you know that if the object is between C and F, image will form beyond C, real, inverted, diminished, so enlarged. Object is at C, image will be at C, real, inverted, same size. Like that you know the image formation. So the given data itself will give you some idea. Okay. So in this question, what they gave? They gave a height of the object is 4 centimeter and it is placed where? At a distance of 36 centimeter from the pole. And then they are telling The image is formed at where? 18 centimeter in front of it. So they even told that image is formed at 18 centimeter. So they gave the value of V also. So U is given, HO is given, and V is given. U minus 36, isn't it? V minus 18, and HO how much? Plus 4 centimeter, isn't it? These are given data. Am I right? And what you want to find? You want to find the image. Actually, they have wrongly written here. Yes, image they want to find. So, what is the height of image they want to find? Don't later you write, man. Ranjan, listen. Now time is up. Listen, please, please. So, with all this data, you know very well the formula. Hi by Ho is equal to minus V by U. So, if you put the value of everything and solve, what you're going to get? You're going to get the answer as how much? Minus 2 centimeter. Did you get the same answer? Did you get it? So here they have drawn wrongly in the diagram, because this is just a diagram before the question solving. Here they have drawn enlarged image, isn't it? But actually it is what? A diminished. And common sense says that if the object is placed beyond C, image will be diminished only, isn't it? So we got the answer as minus 2 centimeter. All of you got minus 2? Mridini, you got the answer as minus 2? You got plus 2? Check what mistake you made. Please check. Darshini, check your mistake. Yes, Ranjan. Hi by Ho, man. Hi by Ho is equal to minus V by U. Minus, what is V? Minus 18 by U minus 36 into Ho plus 4. Minus minus will get cancelled, but minus is already there. So it will become minus 2. Got it, no? Simple, right?
So for sign convention, do we draw a Cartesian plane? Because when I was in the foundation batch, the 11th standard students told me to draw a Cartesian plane with the pole as the origin.
Yes, you can. Same thing only I also told. I have not drawn the Cartesian plane. It is good to have a Cartesian plane concept also, but it is not like much required. Okay. Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed? Any problem in this question? Don't have a habit of just copying the answer. Understand how the answer has come. Anybody has any doubt, ask me. Shall I go to the next question? Yeah, Prajin, what doubt do you have? How you getting 2 here? You know the formula, right? Formula is Hi by Ho is equal to, I am solving it for you. Hi by Ho is equal to minus V by U, right, Prajin? Now I am solving. Hi we want to find. What is Ho? 4, right, Prajin? Is equal to minus. What is V? What is V? Hey, plus or minus? Don't forget this minus and all. Minus 18 divided by, what is V? What is U? Minus 36. Minus minus becomes plus, and this becomes 2 times. Now Hi becomes equal to what? Minus 4 by 2. How much is that, Prajin? Hey, minus is there, no man. The formula is Hi by Ho is equal to minus V by U. Minus 18, minus 36, already minus minus get cancelled. Minus 18 by minus 36, already negative negative got cancelled, man. Or you may think like this also, Prajin, if you want. Minus minus became plus, one minus still remaining, no? But you ate that minus, Prajin? Understood now or not? Everybody else? I hope it is clear. Next question. One more question, last question. Make it fast. Fast, 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 fast. Don't write the question, just solve it. Converging mirror means what mirror? Concave or convex? Obviously concave. So HI is given. Good question actually. Real image, it must be inverted. If it is inverted, height must be negative. These things I am giving hint to you. Any answer? Got some answer? Let us check. So HI is -4, HO is +1, U is -20. They are asking to find V. Simple question. HI by HO is equal to -V by U. Am I right? Yes or no? In this question, what are the given data? Height of image is -4. Now why I am writing -4? Because it is real image and real image is always inverted. That's why I wrote minus. Height of the object +1 centimeter. So obviously it is magnified also. We can see clearly from here. U is -20 centimeter. They're asking to find V. So we know the formula HI by HO is equal to -V by U. Now what is HI? -4. What is HO? 1. What is V? You want to find. What is U? -20. So your this minus minus gets cancelled. V will become equal to -80 centimeter. Got this answer? If you got this answer, it is done. Very simple and basic question. There is no much problem in this. Okay. I will give you a series of questions in the next class, and I will also share a worksheet with you where you will have a lot of questions from mirror's formula, concave or convex mirror. Again, I am repeating, it is one of the most important part of this chapter. Definitely questions going to come in the board exam from here. HI by HO is equal to -V by U. That boy is teaching you or I am teaching you, man? That boy will be teaching you. Okay. Ananya understood the class today? Okay. Mridini and Darshini, what about you people?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Now once again I am repeating, especially for the people who are not in the previous class or missed any of the class in the past. See that video, take that notes. Even today's class will come as a link in the group. See it if you want to once again see it for confirmation. Then only you will become strong in this. I know Ananya and Josita, both of you are not too confident in this topic because you are not in the previous classes. They are confident because they were there in the previous classes. Okay? So please see the video and then come for the next class. Okay guys, take care. Bye-bye. We will meet again in the next class.